Welcome to the best picks. The best baking thermometer is probably one of the most important tools for any baker, whether you're whipping up a simple cake or tackling an intricate croquembouche. Achieving perfectly baked goods, with moist centers and golden brown exteriors, consistently hinges on precise temperature control, and a reliable thermometer is the key to unlocking that precision. Using a thermometer takes the guesswork out of baking, ensuring consistent results every time and helping you avoid common baking mishaps like underbaked or overbaked treats. This video will guide you through choosing the right thermometer for your baking needs. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Digital Thermometer. It boasts advanced technology for precise temperature readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. It comes pre-calibrated for ease of use, and you can recalibrate it if needed. From grilling and baking to deep frying and candy making, it's perfect for all your cooking needs. Use it in the air fryer, oven, grill, or even outdoors. The large digital display with a bright blue backlight makes it easy to read the temperature, no matter the lighting conditions. It's a must-have for any kitchen. This thermometer is water-resistant with an IP66 rating, so you can easily clean it under running water. It's built to last. It arrives in an elegant gift box, making it an ideal present for any occasion. It's a thoughtful gift for any cooking enthusiast. What we like? It boasts a super fast response time and works for all kinds of cooking. If you need a versatile thermometer for various cooking methods and want easy cleanup, this is it. This is perfect for those who love to grill, bake, and deep fry. What people say. Accuracy and response. Since I have the new unit, I wanted to see how accurate it was, so I compared it to my Fluke 52 thermocouple thermometer with the Fluke 80PK 2A immersion probe that I had calibrated with a GE Druck DPI 822. I then filled a narrow mouth Pyrex 1000 ml flask with water from our hot water pot that had been set to 208 F and tried to hold both probe tips near each other in the hot water while trying to take a picture with the hand on a phone. The Fluke 52 and 80PK 2A read out at 184.4 while the Alpha Grillers displayed 184.1. As you know, water cools off fast and it's don't uniform temperature in the container, so the 0.3 degree difference could be the actual temperature difference from the probe positions in the hot water or even the probe shaft differences. Basically, the accuracy is excellent for a $20 meat thermometer. The new model's rubber buttons are also far easier to press than the previous design's plastic bubble type. New to this model is very even white LED backlighting. Yes, it looks blue in the official marketing pictures, but that's the digital camera color temperature at work. It's actually white. Hold function, also new, is a hold and min-max function. The function is unlike most typical thermometers, which typically cycle from room temperature to max temp and min temp. It's pretty thought out here for a meat thermometer. Number 4. Instant Read Meat Thermometer. It provides temperature readings in just 2 to 4 seconds, accurate within 2 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures perfectly cooked food every time, whether you're grilling, baking, or frying. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it's easy to clean. The large backlit display is simple to read, even in low-light conditions. Its ergonomic design with a retractable probe and magnetic back makes it easy to use and store. The ultra-thin grip ensures comfortable handling. The long stainless steel probe keeps your hands safe from heat, and the auto-off function saves battery life. The hold button lets you check the temperature without constantly holding it. It comes with everything you need: a comprehensive food temperature guide, batteries, and a battery opener. Plus, you get lifetime customer support. What we like? This thermometer is incredibly quick and accurate, and it's completely waterproof for worry-free cleaning. If you value speed, accuracy, and convenience, this is the one for you. It's great for anyone who wants a hassle-free grilling experience. What people say. It is a fantastic compact tool. Easy to use and very accurate. Marca rapido y es preciso. Y lo moj varias veces y sigo funcionando. La pantalla sev clara y se guarda fácil. This thermometer works great and is easy to read. It has been accurate and cleaning is a breeze. It has been reliable, so I highly recommend. Number 3. Lonicera Digital Thermometer. This innovative thermometer is designed for precise temperature readings in various applications, from baking bread to checking the temperature of your food and water. Its waterproof design and long probe make it safe and easy to use. It features an IPX6 waterproof rating, so you can clean it easily under running water. The 5.1-inch long probe keeps your hands safely away from hot food. Get accurate temperature readings with precision of plus or minus 1 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a wide temperature range, perfect for various uses from cooking to candle making. This thermometer provides fast readings in just 2 to 4 seconds. The backlight makes it easy to read, even in low-light conditions. It's incredibly user-friendly. Simply power it on to measure, and hold the button to lock the temperature reading. You can easily switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. We stand behind our product with a 100% money-back guarantee within 60 days and an 18-month warranty. It's a great gift for any kitchen enthusiast. What we like? It features a long probe for safe handling and is completely waterproof. If you need a thermometer with a long probe for safety and accuracy, this is a great option. This is perfect for those who prioritize safety and precision in their cooking. What people say. This digital thermometer is great for my sourdough baking. I can test if my dough has warmed up enough from the refrigerator so I can feed it. I can test my loaf from the oven to see if the temp is above 195 degrees. I like the protective cover that comes with it, so I can stand it in my utensil holder. It's accurate, fast, and easy to use. The thermometer works well for my baking needs, specifically in determining the water temperature for activating yeast and measuring the inner temperature of baked goods like rolls and sweetbreads. Number 2. ThermoMaven F1 Pro Thermometer. It provides accurate temperature readings in just 0.6 seconds. This ensures perfectly cooked food every time, preventing overcooking or undercooking. With its plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, it guarantees precise temperature measurements. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals with confidence. It's completely waterproof with an IP67 rating. This means it can handle splashes, spills, and even submersion, making it perfect for any cooking environment. The bright backlight makes it easy to read the temperature, no matter the lighting conditions. You'll always get a clear reading, indoors or out. It features a built-in magnet for easy storage and a sleep mode to conserve battery life. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. In the box, you'll find the thermometer, a battery, a user manual, a calibration certificate, and a lifetime warranty. Everything you need to get started. What we like? It offers unparalleled speed and precision, ensuring perfectly cooked food every time. If you're a serious cook who demands the highest accuracy, this is the ultimate choice. This is perfect for professional chefs and serious home cooks. What people say. Super fast read. Accurate. The display flips so you are never reading upside-down readings. Easy to use, aesthetically pleasant, seems accurate, rapid response. Fast measure, washable, large display auto power off, foldable tip. Number 1. Kizen Instant Read Thermometer. It takes temperatures in 3 seconds flat. Get perfectly cooked food every time, quickly and easily. It's perfect for meat, candy, bread, anything you cook. This thermometer is a true kitchen essential. The large, backlit screen makes it simple to read, even at night or in low light. No more squinting. Just rinse it under the tap, it's so easy to keep clean. Note, not dishwasher safe. It's the perfect grilling companion for summer cookouts. Become a grill master with this handy tool. What we like? This thermometer is incredibly fast and easy to use, with a large, backlit display for clear readings. If you want a simple, user-friendly thermometer for various cooking tasks, this is a great choice. It's perfect for beginners and busy cooks alike. What people say. The probe design is sleek and durable, easily inserted into the thickest cuts of meat without any hassle. What truly sets this thermometer apart is its remarkable precision and speed. Within seconds, it provides an accurate temperature reading, allowing me to monitor the cooking process with confidence. It provides quick and accurate temperature readings, helping me ensure my meats are perfectly cooked every time. The digital display is clear, and it's easy to clean and store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.